What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Versa remote key fob. This Nissan Versa key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the key will pull out like that, and we can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, right here we can see there's this little notch that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and put it in that notch, make sure it's all the way pushed in there, then I'm going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it's starting to open the remote case. Once the case is starting to open, I'm going to take my screwdriver and just run it down the side in this crack. And just go slowly and take your time so you don't damage the key fob or your hand. And then once it's far enough apart, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. Go ahead and get that battery out of the holder. Then we'll grab our new battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, that's by this metal clip. Tuck that edge in first, then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.